Jamaica, watch
never
this.
hurt my girlfriend. I did not kill Donna-Lee Donaldson.
Mr. Maitland declared, professing his innocence. In an unsworn statement lasting nearly 12 minutes, Mr. Maitland addressed the court from the dock, drawing the attention of all present. Mr. Maitland told the court that he picked up Miss Donaldson on the Monday night to continue celebrating her birthday from the previous evening. According to him, they watched television and later went to bed. He said that throughout their 3-year relationship, disagreements often arose regarding the mother of his child. On the night in question, he said an argument began after his child's mother called and later escalated over a photograph on the wall. Emphasizing that their disputes were never physical, Mr. Maitland said he had no thoughts of hurting Donna-Lee. He said he went to sleep, explaining that he usually ignores her when arguments arise. According to Mr. Maitland, Miss Donaldson woke him up and left the apartment on Tuesday morning. Addressing forensic evidence, Mr. Maitland sought to explain a tiny spot of blood found in his apartment. He said Miss Donaldson had suffered 2 miscarriages during their relationship, one of which occurred at his apartment, and that blood could have been transferred during sexual activity on the balcony. Mr. Maitland said he listened carefully to expert testimony indicating the blood could have been more than a year old and argued that the prosecution failed to properly address that possibility. He insisted that he cooperated fully with the police, stating that he handed over his motor vehicle and assisted investigators in gaining access to the vehicle used by his child's mother. He added that he cooperated even when others refused to give statements, rejecting the testimony of a car wash employee who claimed there was blood like rice grain on his couch. Mr. Maitland said no blood was detected on the couch or the truck used to transport it, and questioned why it was even introduced into the trial. Turning to another witness, Mr. Maitland said he disapproved of the individual lifestyle and would play Buju Banton's Boom Bye Bye whenever the witness and his friends became noisy. He denied telling the witness to delete footage due to spiff and promotion, noting that the witness later testified in court that he could not remember. Addressing the testimony of a truck driver, Mr. Maitland said he had nothing to hide and was grateful that the driver secretly recorded their interaction. In closing, Mr. Maitland said the prosecution had established his good character and that his character witness, who is